there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet 3 together. And this can be applied to any stitch you like. You can have a single crochet 3 together, a double crochet 3 together, and so on. To make a half double crochet 3 together, we will be joining 3 stitches into one with incomplete half double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and we will leave these loops on our hook. Then yarn over again, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up another loop, and again into the next available stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we have 7 loops on our hook, 3 incomplete half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook to join them. And this is how you make a half double crochet 3 together.